The box is open, and you're looking at a machine that handles everything from perfectly steamed rice to fall-off-the-bone ribs. The sheer variety of what you can make is extensive. If you're looking at the digital display and feeling overwhelmed by the interface, we'll simplify it. We're going to walk through your very first cook, a classic beef stew, to see exactly how the process works. Before hitting any buttons, make sure your cooker is unboxed and plugged in. Grab your smartphone and have your chopped meat and vegetables ready on the counter. This device turns your raw prep into a finished meal with an automated process that minimizes your active time in the kitchen. The hardware breaks down into 4 main parts that neatly stack together. At the top is the multi-cooker lid, which seals in the pressure, and right underneath it is the steam rack. Both of these components are dishwasher safe. Directly below the rack is the stainless steel inner pot. This is the most critical part of your setup. Ingredients must always go into this removable metal pot before you place it into the electronic base. Combining these layers creates a logical, easy-to-load cooking vessel. To guide your first cook, download the free Instant Connect app. Inside the app, search for Beef Stew. You'll find a green step-by-step button at the bottom of the screen that provides exact measurements and instructions. Follow the initial prep steps to add your broth, meat, and vegetables to the inner pot. Then place the lid on top and twist it clockwise to lock. You'll hear a physical chime to confirm it's secure. The companion app removes the guesswork, providing a digital guide for this cook and over 2,000 future meals. The control panel has many options, but you only need one. Press the Meat Stew button on the left. The blue screen displays on while building internal pressure. Once reached, a countdown timer appears, starting at 18 minutes. You can confirm the machine is pressurized and cooking when the small metal float valve on the lid pops into the up position. The device uses 7 core cooking programs to handle the temperature and pressure calculations. When you select a button like rice or steam, the machine adjusts its settings automatically. Operating the machine requires pushing a single pre-programmed button before walking away. When the timer hits 0, the cooking cycle is complete. Now you'll release the pressurized steam. The device features 10+ built-in safety mechanisms designed to protect you during this process. To vent the pressure, push the easy release switch on the lid. This switch is positioned to keep your hand at a distance from the central steam vent. The pressurized steam vents straight upward, rapidly dissipating into the open air and safely away from your hands. This engineering choice removes the traditional risks associated with venting a pressurized pot. Once the float valve drops, twist the lid open away from your face to reveal the finished beef stew. Since the meal was prepared in the stainless steel inner pot, you can place it directly into the dishwasher for an effortless cleanup. With the first meal complete, you can return to the Instant Connect app to choose from over 2,000 other recipes. You've now established a workflow that turns a wide variety of ingredients into one-pot meals with minimal effort.